Welcome to KYC Data's online fulfillment website. This will be a brief video just to give an overview of the site. Currently we are on the login screen. If you have not yet created an account, you want to click this blue button, New Account. There you will be directed to fill in your name, your email address, your company name and telephone number. Please be aware that you have to have a valid email address and a phone number for the account to be activated. After you click register at the bottom, you will receive an email to verify your account. And then once you verify the account, you should be good to come back and log in. So once you enter in your email address and password, you can go ahead and click login. Oh, and before I proceed, please make note here as well that this site works with Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. It does not work well on Internet Explorer. So please keep that in mind. If you're facing an issue, that might be the cause of the problem. So please try to stick to one of these browsers. Okay, so let's go ahead and log in. You'll see you're immediately brought to the My Prospects page. So these are accounts that I've run on Texas zip codes, Florida counties, different things are all saved right here under My Prospects. The checkout screen is where you will place files in your cart so that you can order them. My File Layouts. These are the layouts. You probably just have one. And then you'll make that your default layout. You can see right here, this is the default layout. It cannot be edited or deleted. That's a layout that I wanted to have name and address along with mortgage amount and lender. The default, the basic standard one, is just name and address. So you need to create a custom layout that will have the fields that you would like, and there will be a separate video on that. Or there already is a video on that. So refer to that video for creating your default layout. The next tab over is My Orders. This is any data that you have purchased. You can come back over here and this is where it is saved. You can download the file in Google Chrome. It comes down here in the bottom left hand of my screen, so I would click on that and open the data file. You can also do the same with your invoice and the settings report. And the settings report is the criteria that was used to pull the data. So it would list either your counties, your zip codes, states if you were pulling whole states, your mortgage amounts, the dates that you pulled, everything will be in that settings report. And again, it will go to the bottom left hand side, well, in Google Chrome. If you're using a different browser, it might go to the top right. Just depends on what you're using. Okay, next we have the Help button. That, of course, you've got the video tutorials like this one, any documentation, maybe pricing sheets and stuff like that, and then contact. And you can always contact us at kyc@kycdata.com. Okay, next you have the Create Prospect List. When you click this button, it brings you to your list creation wizard. This is where you would start to build your prospect list by entering all your geography and demographics, and there'll be a separate video on that, but that's what happens when you hit that button. And then last, you'll have your name over here. Of course, for us, it's customer service department. This is where you can get to your profile. And when you go to your profile, this is where you can edit things. So you'll see here's your email address, your name, your company, your phone number, as well as the restrictions on your account. So my base price is 9 cents a record. I pay an additional penny for lender name and I pay an additional penny for mortgage amount. So this price that's reflected here is just your base rate. I have a purchase cap of $1,000 per order, and right now I'm a premium customer, so I have daily I can go in and get daily data. If I want to change my password, I can change it here. And also if I need to change my default layout, maybe now I also need record date or some other field that's not on my default layout, you come here to this edit picture icon, and this is where you can go ahead and change any any of this information, and then remember to hit Save Changes. Okay, so that is just a basic overview. If you ever want to get back to the home screen, just click here in the big KYC data logo, and it takes you right back to My Prospects. And now that's just a brief overview. There'll be different videos for running an account or starting a prospect list and ordering the data.